In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lemlist's B2B database to find leads. Whether you're a seasoned marketing professional or new to the world of lead generation, Lemlist platform provides a robust tool set designed to help you identify and connect with potential leads effectively. Let's walk through this process together. First, you want to navigate to the Lemlist dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options, but right now we're going to focus on utilizing the People database. This feature is designed to help you sort and filter through potential leads efficiently. It's an invaluable resource for anyone looking to expand their reach in the B2B space. Next, click on the People database tab. This is your gateway to a comprehensive array of prospect data. The integration of signals and intents within this tool offers an additional layer of insight, allowing you to prioritize and strategize based on a lead's behavior and interest. Remember, understanding these intents and signals can drastically increase your contact success rates by targeting prospects more likely to engage. Now, let's dig a little deeper. Click on the Company Information section. This area of the database allows you to access key details about potential leads, such as contact information and organizational data. Gathering in-depth company insights is crucial as it equips you with the background needed to tailor your approach, ensuring it aligns perfectly with each lead's specific needs and challenges. Moving on, you'll want to look at the company size filter. This feature lets you refine your lead list based on the size of the companies you're targeting. You might be focusing on small startups or large enterprises, and using this filter ensures you're channeling your efforts towards the most relevant organizations for your goals. Then there's the company industry filter. Here you can categorize and target leads based on the industry. This is particularly helpful because it allows your outreach to be relevant and specific to the unique demands and trends of that industry, positioning your value proposition as a solution to their specific challenges. When selecting the industry, think carefully about your goals and your products or services value proposition. Tailoring your search criteria to focus on the industry that best fits your target demographic will enhance your campaign's effectiveness. Utilizing Lemlist's B2B database to find leads is about strategy and precision. By understanding how to efficiently leverage these features, you not only streamline your outreach process, but also significantly boost your engagement rates. And there you go. With this guide, you're well on your way to mastering lead generation with Lemlist. Remember, effective lead sourcing is an ongoing learning process, so keep exploring and adjusting your strategies as you gain more insights. Thanks for tuning in and happy lead hunting.